Hello guys, welcome to Gossipfunda. My name is Abhiyanshu Rao and today's topic is how to make animation like HardToonz. Animation have consistently drawn attention in individuals, youthful and old. From the earliest HardToonz, RG Bucket List, Kriti Chow and many others works of art motivated a lot of youth to become animators. The undertakings of characters catch our eye. We relate to this work on calculates that clue to genuine individuals. Some way or another, our cerebrum fills the space left by these makers. In the early Disney making kids show was an opportune and demanding cycle. It required a fine measure of detail, expertise and more else. Quick forward to now, and indeed making animation has never been so basic. Numerous web-based video creation devices accompany a library of animation figures in various styles and permit you to make and live in stories in extremely simple ways. Now I'm gonna tell you how to make animation like HardToonz. Stage 1. Notice HardToon animation in detail. In the event that you are planning to make an extraordinary animation like HardToonz, you should utilize time in making detailed plan for it. Look at HardToonz videos again and again and start noting it on a page. An energized animation creation requires a lot of skills and patience. That implies you need to practice a lot again and again to develop some serious skills. Stage 2. Pick a layout for your energized video. Not everyone has opportunity and willpower to focus on animation consistently because it requires preparation. This is the reason that you have to make a template. If you notice HardToonz animation, you will see a format in each video of him. So, you should also make a template for your animation and it will decrease a lot of your efforts for creating animation on constant basis. Stage 3. Scripting, recording and synchronizing. Now, if you are creating long animations, then scripting is important. Write a good script and record it in a good quality. When people watch animation, they notice three main things: animation quality, story and audio quality. So, you need to work on these three aspects equally. After scripting and recording, you need to synchronize everything all together. Stage 4. Add a music track or background music. A soundtrack that goes with your animation builds the consideration of your crowd. Picking the right tune or music can fundamentally affect the outcome of your video. You need to pick a piece of music that reflects and sets the state of mind. You might have noticed a consistent background music playing in HardToonz videos. I'm talking about that. Stage 5. Sharing or publishing your final product. Whenever you made your animation, now is the ideal time to show it to your crowd. See your analytics and publish your video or animation according to that. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.